My name's Andrés Pimentel, and I'm building a cabin in the woods in Cusco, Peru. And the first step is to get this backhoe all the way up into the forest. Then we've got some rocks to move around. This is week 2. Be sure to check out the first 2 episodes if you haven't already.
Don't wanna play games out with the moves, don't wanna meditate, girl, with you it's hard. Fill in the blanks, text me back, throw me a kiss instead of them tricks. Don't make it hard. I wanna celebrate, you know.
And we have to prepare the next tree trunks to give the structure more stability.
We know how it goes, hard to get a nest, both mind and flesh. We know how it goes.
And get this hose out of the way. The hardest part of this was getting the crossbeam all the way up to the top.
I don't wanna push and pull, girl, come on, follow me once. Oh, I don't play rough.
Using the backhoe, both sides.
You know why you got me around your little pinky, and nothing to last, nothing. Damn, this crush is hard. I wanna celebrate, you know.
And then we got up the other logs for the added support.
Both mind and flesh.
Thanks again to my dad for all his help financially, physically, my family, and to Master Juan who helped us.
We know how it goes, way down low. You don't need.
The last bit of cement.
I can be gentle. You don't need to stay that square. You're beyond compare.
We got the bathroom, shower,
You know. Hard to get in there.
that was Sunday, I believe. And then I had to bring down the wheelbarrow with all the extra tools, which was not fun. Next day, I went up, decided to relax a little bit, and realized that the only way to get this done was to spend the night. In an impromptu fashion, I decided to spend the night. However, I didn't have blankets, so I had to hike down in the dark to get those, and it took me like 20 minutes to get into the hammock. Fell a few times, but in the end, finally tucked in. Cholo. Doggo's here. All cozy, nice and warm. Luckily it's not as cold as the last time I was here. Check out that video. That time it was so cold, my face was so cold that I woke up. I gotta get up early tomorrow. I'm gonna get started on the inner wall and get the plastic up. I'll see you in the morning. Yeah, it was really cold. My face was too cold. I slept horribly, but at least I was there, bright and early. Good morning. Better get started. Gonna make some breakfast. Wanna be in the video too? Hi, buddy! And this fire took a few tries. And in the end, I only managed to make some coca tea. Gotta get this up there. Had to cut some blanket to cover up some of the nails and wire to avoid wicking the plastic. This first piece ended up being unnecessary. Shout out to my brother for pointing that out. Got the first side up, looking pretty good. Got the second one. staple it down, put some rocks and sticks on it so it wouldn't blow away. Again, my name's Andrés Pimentel. This is an ongoing series. Finally headed down. It's amazing, this place. It's beautiful. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next week.